What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on what could be a game changer in the SUV world. Forget everything you thought you knew about the Hyundai Tucson, because what you're looking at right here is the future. Boom! Feast your eyes on this. These are the first images hitting the web of the alleged next-generation 2026 Hyundai Tucson. And let me tell you, if this is the real deal, Hyundai isn't just playing the game anymore. They're trying to change it. All right, let's break this down. Up front, Hyundai has gone full sci-fi. That entire front fascia is a light signature. The parametric jewel grille has evolved into this seamless, Staria-esque light bar with integrated, pixelated headlights. It's clean, it's mean, and it looks like it just drove off the set of a futuristic blockbuster. That copper accent along the bottom? A touch of class. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it makes the competition look 5 years old. And they didn't stop there. Around back, you get this stunning, full-width, pixelated taillight. This is a direct nod to their all-electric Ioniq line, and it screams high-tech. It's a clean, minimalist design that is just pure eye candy. This isn't just a family SUV, folks. This is a statement piece. But the biggest shock? It might be on the inside. Get ready for this. Are you kidding me? This is the cockpit of the new Tucson. We're talking a massive, curved, panoramic display that merges the driver's gauges and the infotainment screen into one beautiful piece of glass. The ambient lighting is everywhere, creating this incredible lounge-like vibe. Look at the detail on those brown leather seats. It feels more like a luxury German SUV than a Hyundai. They've cleaned up the center console, likely using a column-mounted shifter like in the Ioniq 5, to give you all this extra space. This is a tech lover's paradise. It's premium, it's spacious, and it is packed with next-generation thinking. So, what's going to power this beast? Well, sources are saying Hyundai is making a massive shift. That's right. The era of the standard gasoline engine for the Tucson might be over. For the 2026 model, expect Hyundai to go all in on electrification. The workhorse is expected to be an advanced 1.6-liter turbo hybrid powertrain. We're anticipating a standard hybrid for amazing fuel economy and a more powerful plug-in hybrid PHEV version that could offer up to 100 kilometers of pure electric range. That's your entire daily commute without using a single drop of gas. So you get the head-turning looks, the futuristic tech, and you're saving money at the pump. That is a winning combination. Okay, the million-dollar question, or hopefully not so million-dollar question, what's the price? The current 2025 Tucson starts at around $28,000 in the US. With this massive leap in technology, design, and the move to hybrid-only powertrains, we're expecting a slight price increase. I'd realistically expect the 2026 Hyundai Tucson to start at around $31,000 to $32,000 for the base hybrid model. For the top-of-the-line plug-in hybrid with all the bells and whistles, you could be looking at a price tag in the $43,000 to $45,000 range. So there you have it. The next-generation 2026 Hyundai Tucson is shaping up to be an absolute monster. It's got the looks of a concept car, the interior of a luxury vehicle, and the efficiency of a next-generation hybrid. Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, you guys are officially on notice. Hyundai is coming for the crown. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Is this new design a huge win or a total miss? Drop your thoughts below. As always, if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more future car content, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.